Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. Starting off with my favorite two primers. I'm loving this Cover FX matte primer, and you know how I feel about my Too Faced Hangover primer. And I'm just prepping my skin for a foundation. But yes, it's my baby birthday. We've been best friends for years. I've known this girl for years, and I'm just like so excited just to get ready and go out and hug her and love her. Happy birthday, babe. Right now you see me color correcting with MAC Peach Luster, and I'm just trying to get this mustache under control. But so we're just going out to Devon's here, and we're gonna have dinner and just spend some time with each other. Right now I'm going in with my foundation. Guys, I don't even remember what foundation I used this day, but it had to be like my L'Oreal and my Maybelline Fit Me like mixed together because that seemed to be like my go-to foundation combination. So I'm banking that is that. It's looking like that. So we're gonna go in with that, and we're just applying that all over my face with this Tarte brush that I wasn't liking. It just seemed to be too big and too bulky, and I usually like this brush, but it wasn't doing it for me. So I'm going in with a new concealer. I bought a new concealer from ColourPop, and it's my first time trying their concealers, and I actually love this concealer, guys. It fits me very well. It's inexpensive, and I really love the consistency of this concealer. It's not as thick as my Tarte Shape Tape. It kind of reminds me of my one of my MAC concealers, but it gave me real good coverage, and I like the undertone. So you know I'm going in with a wet beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend all of that out. I feel like this concealer dries quickly. Like, you got to move a little quickly. Like, it goes on real wet, but it dries really quickly. I will be purchasing some more concealer from ColourPop. Like, it was bomb. I really like it. And for $5-6, I don't even know what I paid for it. For $5-6, I want all of them, you know? Shit. So, just blending that out. Going in with my Beauty Bakery setting powder and one of my BH Cosmetic brushes from the It's My Ray Ray collab. And I'm just going to set all the places I concealed. And we're going to get everything together and nice. It really doesn't matter like what concealer I wear. Like, my under eye always crease. I'm going to start to try different methods of putting on my concealer, because maybe I need to bake more. I mean, I don't even know, but my under eye always crease. So now we're contouring, and we're going in with that NYX fan brush that I fucking love. I need more NYX brushes. And we're contouring with Fenty Beauty Espresso. And I like it. It's not bad. It gets the job done. Just gonna blend that out. These NYX brushes are really nice. So we're blending out that nose contour. I'm going in with a double-ended eye brush, and it's doing the job. So I'm just blending out that nose contour. So now we're going in, and we're going to just set all the places that we contoured. You know, because then when I look at myself, I'm not as bronzy sometimes as I would like to be, and sometimes I want to be a little bronzy. So just bronzing up the face, and finally found a nose powder contour that I like. I even found like going over my powders with the wet beauty blender makes everything sink into my skin a little more to my liking, because sometimes I feel like I'm a little too powdery, but I don't need to be sprayed with Fix Plus or something. So I just go over it with my wet beauty blender, and I just pat all the product in, and I kind of like how that's coming out. So right now here we're using the Jaclyn Hill palette, brown shade from the palette. Doing something real simple and light, and want to just deepen up that crease a little bit for my baby. So when I hug her and love her, she can be like, oh, you look cute. And I could be like, I know. So we're just going to just blend out our eyeshadow. We're going in with a brownie shade from the palette. But it's a brownie shade. You know the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's a good palette. Like, I really recommend that. Like, if you don't have that palette, go get it. The eyeshadows are really pigmented. The formula is nice. They give you a little kickback, but, like, I don't have an eyeshadow palette that doesn't give you a kickback. You understand what I'm saying? So, I'm really going to, in the future, get some more Morphe palettes because I keep seeing them, too. And I'm thinking that, you know, they're inexpensive. And if they're anything like this Jaclyn Hill palette, then, like, I need all of them. I need all of them. So we're just deepening up the crease. Well, we're deepening up our outer V a little bit and just dragging it in. And, like, we're going for something light and cute. Look like a matte 224 brush. And now I'm just taking one of my Sedona lace brushes and going in with a gold eyeshadow. And we're just going to keep applying it all over the lid until we get our desired look, and just keep patting it on just lightly, even like down to the shimmer shades. The shimmer shades are beautiful, pigmented. The matte shades are also very pigmented, very nice. The matte shades obviously is more powdery. You get more kickback than you do on the shimmery shades, but not a problem. Now we're going in with a clean blending brush from Anastasia, one of her palettes. And we're just blending out the edges. We're going in with this Maybelline Big Shot mascara, and this is the last time I'm using this mascara. I had this mascara for so long, and it's good. It really is good to me. But I mean, Liz, how long do you keep a fucking mascara? So I finally bought some new mascara. So this is the last time I'll be using this one. So I'm going in with my NYX brow pencil, and I'm just going in and cleaning up these brows. It's in the color Espresso. And then I'm using my Sephora brow gel in clear, and I'm just setting out these brows just to keep them in place. So now I'm going into my lower lash line, and I'm just using the two shades that I use as my transition and my crease color, and just smoking out that bottom lash line. So just blending that out, getting ready for my babe. Yes. Yep. So now I'm going in with a gel eyeliner pencil in black. It's from Minka or something. M-I-C-A. Mika. It's pretty good. I grab for it, you know, on and off. It's pretty good. It gets the job done. I think I got that like in a little glam bag. So now I'm doing a small little wing. I'm going in with my Kat Von D liquid eyeliner pencil. Y'all know how I feel about this. I think I'm going to purchase like a brown liquid eyeliner pencil too sometimes. All the time I don't want to do like a black liner. And I really love this eyeliner pencil, so I think I might try it. So just doing a small little wing. Fixing my life. One wing at a time. So now that I'm finished with my eyeliner, I'm going to set my face with this Sephora Micro Smoothing Powder that I've been loving. I love it. I cannot wait. Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I love this powder. I set everything with this powder. It gets the job done. And I love it. I'm going in with a blush right now. I think I'm using MAC 4 Matte Blush just to warm up the cheeks a little bit. And that's the all-time favorite blush. And I'm just packing it on because I want to see this brush. I want these warm cheeks. I want these warm cheeks to pop. So now I'm spraying my face with some setting spray, and I'm going in with a highlighter. I think I'm using a Becca highlighter. And we're just highlighting everywhere, and then we're going in and we're blending that highlighter into the skin. We're making it melt into the skin. And then we're going in and we're just blending that highlighter into the skin. I really love going over my makeup with a wet beauty blender. Where have I been? I used to spray my face, let it just dry, and that leaves your face looking nice too, but I love when I just go over and pat it in with a beauty blender. And so we're still highlighting, guys. We're setting our brow bones, cheeks, forehead. We're going to do our nose, our inner corner. You know the drill. It's my baby birthday. Checking ourselves out. We're going in with, now I went in with 2 lip liners. I went in with a cranberry lip liner from NYX, and then I went in with a brown one from MAC Cosmetics, and I just blended that into my lips. And then I went in with, let's say, a MAC lipstick. And I love this MAC lipstick. It's limited edition too, guys, but it's a burgundy lipstick. Any lipstick could do. Fixing myself here, guys, and I am almost done. Hey, look at you. Lashes on. Look at you, babe. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you all like the look. I'm going to go enjoy my babe birthday. If you like this tutorial, please leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Bye.